Gauteng has strengthened primary eye health. We get a lot of early detection of cataracts at the ground in the communities. Then we're sending all these older persons to the hospitals, and they have to have surgery to have their cataracts removed.
My name is Soli Lopes. I'm 77 years old. I'm a Sangpate from 2018. And I'm saboni ngaleli hlo la ngale. Angisakwazi ukudrive, angisakwazi ukwenza next.
Kimalifu malika. Nekutsamaya ka mmiri. Ntse ke re modimo ne fe pelo ya hore ke nto ke bone.
With cataracts they can't see, so we've got a problem. We have to prevent them from being blind by something that we can easily do over 15 to 20 minutes. So a few issues that can make a person blind unnecessarily. Gauteng was challenged from there. Something must be done. I have worked for this department for quite a long time, and there's nothing as pleasing as looking at a patient walk in blind before surgery. The next day, when you open their eyes, it's amazing.
This one camera. Uyabona. Uyabona.
Kiyabona hle. Kiyabona.
It's an immediate impact. They've been sitting at home. They couldn't see. If they're elderly, they couldn't read their Bibles. They couldn't see their grandchildren.
Hey, come on. It was a snap. It was a snap. One camera. Come on. Yeah, hey, come on, man.
The minute those eyes are opened, that elder person has restored her dignity. She has restored her independence.
Okay.
Sight 2030 is the new energy. It's a new goal. All avoidable blindness must be eliminated. Meaning, we're starting with eye health promotion. We're integrating eye health into a thriving primary eye health system. Information system must be strengthened. Budgets must be strengthened. People must be able to access much needed optical and non-optical assistive devices, those who need them, so that they are not sitting at home simply by something that can be avoided.
Yeah. And like lady said,